Less than 1% of houses sell as a result of an open house. So if only 1 out of 100 open houses is going to result in an open house selling, what's the point of doing open houses? Is it just a waste of your time? Absolutely not. Just because the people you have walking into the house are not going to buy that house, it doesn't mean that they don't want to buy a house. They want to buy a house, maybe just not the one it is that you're holding open. And if they don't have a realtor already, guess what? They need a realtor. Guess what? If you're holding the house open and you're right there in the house, you have a chance to be professional, to build rapport with them, and become their realtor and pick up business. Yeah, they might not buy that house, but there's plenty of other houses out there that you could show them. So open houses are a great way to find buyers, but also a great way to find sellers, because a lot of times people will complain, oh, well, it's just a bunch of nosy neighbors coming over there. Why are they being nosy? What are they doing at the house? Why do they want to go check out what's in the house? They might be thinking of selling themselves. So they might not be ready to sell today, but they're thinking of it. They've got it on their mind if they're coming into an open house. So take advantage of that. Utilize every single person that walks into the open house to develop a relationship with them, find out whether they're interested in buying or selling, even if you've got to find out a little indirectly with that, and make a relationship. Stay in touch with them, because they might not buy or sell today, but they will buy or sell, and you want to be there to get that business.